Today we will show you our MINI12PSB diesel injection pump test bench. It is a classical test bench with 8 cylinders to test diesel injection pump. It can use for testing mechanical pumps like Bosch, Denso, Zexel, and other brands mechanical Euro 2 pumps. This model, the controller and the test bench are separately. We also have another model. The controller was installed on the test bench. Firstly, we will show you the details for the test bench. The controller DT1000. In the controller, you can see the temperature, the testing situation, time, count, speed, advanced angle, different settings for your testing. For choosing the rotating direction for your testing. For adjustment pressure, emergency stop, fuel pump stop, fuel pump open. You can choose another side, also the same switch. The high pressure meter gauge, the low pressure meter gauge, the positive pressure meter gauge and negative pressure meter gauge for the air compressor. The internal pressure meter gauge. For oil supply connection and oil return pipe connection. The dial for angle. The protective cover. The gimbal coupling. The working plate. The flow meter. The glass tube. The oil cup. You can choose the plastic ones, oil cups or iron oil cups. The air compressor outlet. The air compressor inlet. The vacuum switch. For the air pump. For air compressor pressure adjustment. Temperature switch. For the voltage, 12 volt and 24 volts. The full switch, DC power switch. For the inlet pressure and oil return testing. The fans for cooling. The fuel tank. The fuel pump. The motor. The standard motor for the test bench is 7.5 kilowatts, and you can choose 11 kilowatts for your convenience. The frequency inverter. The frequency inverter. the transformer for voltage, the cable connection. To choose 10, 20, and 30, and 0 for cable connection when you open the test bench. The air compressor. The motor. The accessories for the MINI12PSB diesel injection pump test bench. The different coupling for Bosch, Denso, and Zexio pumps. The standard injectors with pipes. The high pressure oil pipes. The glass tube 45 mm and 150 mm, and small gable coupling, and the protective cover. For mechanical traditional pumps, our test bench can test the oil return, oil supply, and point and universal angle, advanced angle, and leakage for the pump. And on our test bench, you can also add a common rail tester for common rail injector and pump testing, and add an oil lubrication and HUI tester and HUI support for HUI caterpillar injector and pump testing, and also can add CAN box for UI UP testing. Also, for VP37, VP44, and Denso V3, V4, and V5 pumps, you can also choose a tester for this pump testing. Now we will show you how to test the traditional mechanical pumps on our 12 PSB diesel injection pump test bench. Huh?